Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a marketing funnel with Klaviyo, full guide step by step clearly. To build a marketing funnel with Klaviyo, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Flows tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Flow button to start a new flow. Choose a flow template that best fits your marketing goals, or select Create from scratch if you prefer a custom approach. Name your flow to keep it organized, then click Create Flow. Now, you'll see the Flow Builder interface. Begin by dragging in a trigger such as List Triggered Flow or Metric Triggered Flow from the options available. Select the trigger that corresponds to your marketing funnel needs. Next, click on Add a Step under your chosen trigger to define the actions that will follow. You can add various actions like Send Email, Add to List, or Update Profile Property. To create an email, drag the email action. Design your email by clicking on it and customizing the content using Klaviyo's email editor. Make sure to integrate a clear call to action to guide users through your funnel. After your email is designed, set a delay if necessary by dragging the delay action into the flow. Decide how long you want the delay to be, which can help in pacing your marketing messages. Continue adding steps, such as follow-up emails or SMS messages, based on your funnel strategy. Utilize the conditional split action to customize the path based on user behavior or attributes. This allows you to create a more personalized experience for your audience. Once your flow is complete, review it for any errors or adjustments needed. Finally, click Publish to activate your marketing funnel. Monitor the performance through Klaviyo's analytics to optimize your strategy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.